This video was created using XMK and Seedance 2.0 AI in just a few minutes. No camera, no editing, no team. And what I'm about to show you helped me find a YouTube niche that literally didn't exist. And in the last 3 months, it got me over 68,752 subscribers, with almost every video pulling in millions of views. In March alone, I made $1,340. Now before you get too excited, let's be real. There are way too many fake gurus on YouTube, telling you things like, make $10,000 in your first day. That's not real. What is real is using tools like XMK with Seedance 2.0 to create cinematic AI videos fast and actually scale content without spending hours editing. This video you're watching right now, fully generated on XMK. All I did was input a simple idea, and Seedance 2.0 turned it into high-quality cinematic visuals in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, how you can start creating content faster, and how you can actually turn this into something real. And there's one mistake almost everyone makes when starting this. I'll show you that later, so don't skip. But here's the thing. If you've ever used AI tools for video creation, you already know the biggest problem. The visuals never fully match your script perfectly. They're close, but not exact. And that small mismatch kills your video quality. And that mistake I told you about earlier, it's overcomplicating everything. So I went looking for something better, and then I found this. Seedance 2.0 on XMK. And this changed everything. Let me show you exactly how it works. Head over to XMK using the link in the description. The moment you land on the site, you'll see this isn't just a normal AI tool. Seedance 2.0 creates AI videos from your text. No manual editing, no struggling with visuals, no wasted time. Now you've got two options. You can either write your own prompts or let the AI generate for you. I'm going to use the my own prompt. And right below that, you'll see options like model selection, aspect ratio, and resolution. This is where it gets crazy. Model selection. And this part is crucial. Pick one that fits your vibe. Like I choose Seedance 2.0, after that choose 16.9 aspect ratio because we creating a short video. Choose 720p resolution for better quality and set video duration. Now hit generate. And within seconds, your video is ready.
The code is a language that speaks to the machine, a language of logic and precision, a language that can be both beautiful and terrifying.
Look at this. The visuals perfectly match the prompt. The pacing feels natural. The flow is smooth. Everything just works. This is the part that honestly surprises most people, because instead of spending hours editing, you just guided the AI once. And when you're done, just download. Clean video is ready. And honestly, even the basic plan is enough to start. But if you're serious, higher plans give you more credits and faster generation for scaling content. Now, let's get back to the video creation process. To make a video, we need a script first. ChatGPT handles this easily. Let me show you the exact prompt I use. You can use the same script structure for every video. Just change the country and facts each time. I'll leave this prompt in the comments so you can copy it. Once you hit generate, you get a complete script ready to go. Now we need a voiceover. DupDub AI is still the best for realistic AI voices. They have tons of options, and you can even clone your own voice if you want. Just copy your script and paste it. After that, remove extra lines from script like this and hit generate, and you'll have professional voiceovers in minutes. Now we need images. For that, head back to ChatGPT, where you create script and tell it, give me 10 fully detailed image prompt for the script. And in the few seconds, ChatGPT will give you images prompt for your video that perfectly match with your script. Now for generate the images. I use Leonardo AI for this. Pick a model that fits your niche. Copy the first prompt from ChatGPT and paste it, and hit generate. This takes some time because you need to make sure every image aligns with the script. You might spend 20 to 30 minutes just on image generation. Finally, bring everything into CapCut. Add your voiceover to the timeline, place images above it, add transitions, captions, and sound effects. Export, and you're done. Now, real talk. Most people fail on YouTube because they overcomplicate everything. But now you don't have that excuse anymore. Start simple, stay consistent, and use tools that actually reduce your workload instead of increasing it. It's that simple.